Hey, hi. So today I'm going to build bag 5 of the typewriter. So far, this is what we have. It's looking beautiful. Right there. I think my puppy dog approves. Yeah. Anyway, I have a question. How many Lego sets do you currently have sitting around your house unbuilt right now? I think I have, I had to have at least 20. And I have more coming in the mail. And it's getting ridiculous. So let me know, how many do you have unbuilt sitting in your queue waiting to be taken care of? But yeah, I'll count mine and I'll give you a good number at the end. But here, let's get into bag 5 and see what that looks like. All right, well, bag 5, whew, I'm done with it. It was interesting. A lot of the mechanics here. All right, let me get my little construction workers out of the way here. I'm gonna hold it up and show you something. So here's what we have now, okay? And I just lost a piece. A piece fell off. I don't know where it goes. I'm gonna have to see that. That's been kind of my life with this. Crap, oh, I see. It's for the space bar. Look, so we have some mechanical stuff. When I press the keys now, boom. You see that? Boom, boom. Let's start. Whoops. Oh, there we go. Start. Some keys. Stuff is moving now. Boom. Most of the keys do something. I'm gonna have to fix the little spacebar thing that came off. But this was a pain in the butt. So what happened? I did something and it was incorrect. And I had to. Oh, I used the wrong color. They had the two little L-shaped ones. They had black ones and gray ones. Well, I put black ones where gray ones belong. And I wanted to switch that out, so I had to pull a bunch of stuff apart. In doing so, I ended up with an extra piece. So I had to tear it all back apart, get back in there, figure out where that missing piece went. Pretty sure I got everything. And what sucks is I'm probably not gonna find out whether I got everything until this is completely done and something doesn't work. I'm confident I got it. Look at that. I mean, it's pretty neat. It's weird how it works. It's a weird thing, but I think it's gonna work just fine. There we go, boom, 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 boom. The shift key does nothing. Backspace does nothing. Shift key and caps lock do nothing. And the space bar. All the other keys move that thing. So anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Oh, how many Lego sets do I have? Let me count real quick. 3, 4. All right, I have 21 Lego sets pending, plus the guy that I'm doing right now. We'll call it 21 and a half. Oh, I have some coming in the mail today. How many do I have coming in the mail? This is getting ridiculous. I'll probably end up having about 26 once my mail comes. And then I wanna order that little space thing. Ah, God, this is ridiculous. I need to stop. What I need to do is get all these built and then start buying new ones. Because there's a few that I really want to buy, but they're kind of expensive, so I should save up for them. I want Bowser, and I want that damn piano. Those are what I want. Anyway, that's it for bag 5. That's it for this today on the typewriter. If you want to chat or have something cool to send me, hit me up on my socials and we'll do it. The giveaway went well. I got that going, so hopefully Dan the Man gets back to me within a week so I can get that out to him. If not, I'll pick a new winner. So that's how that's going. We will see you next time. Bag 6 next time. Peace.